Buy Epson EcoTank ET 2720 all-in-one Supertank printer at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. The EcoTank ET 2720 wireless all-in-one Supertank printer offers cartridge-free printing with easy-to-fill, supersized ink tanks. Dimension for this printer is about 13.1 x 14.8 x 8.7 inches, and it weighs 12.5 pounds. Most features require an internet connection to the printer, as well as an internet and/or email-enabled device. Level of performance subject to the range of the router being used. Wi-Fi Direct may require printer software. Experience hands-free, voice-activated printing, to print a variety of projects and documents. This printer features 5760 x 1440 optimized DPI resolution that offers the best printing for your memories. EcoTank ET 2720 wireless all-in-one Supertank printer offers 10.5 ISO ppm for black and 5.0 ISO ppm for color. The operating temperature for EcoTank ET 2720 wireless all-in-one Supertank printer is about 50 degrees to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum ink droplet size is 3 droplet sizes as small as 3 picoliters. It offers hands-free voice-activated printing. Just ask Alexa to print a variety of creative projects and everyday documents, including your to-do and shopping lists. This printer is compact and of space-saving design. It is easy to set up and install. It features 1.44 color display for system navigation and control. EcoTank ET 2720 wireless all-in-one Supertank printer provides borderless print of 4x6 inch photos and also features 100 sheet paper capacity. You get up to 2 years of ink with each included or replacement ink set. And, each replacement ink bottle set includes enough ink to print up to 4,500 pages equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges. Plus, you save up to 90% with low-cost replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges. That means less waste. Exclusive uniquely keyed EcoFit bottles make it easy to fill each color tank. This sleek black printer also offers convenient wireless printing from tablets and smartphones plus a 2-year limited warranty with registration.